this is my LOL doll, and I was craving for the pets. I've already gotten the dolls, and I really am happy of getting them. So I'm gonna give you a little thing of how I open them. So there are 7 steps. The first one is you get the hint. The second one is you get the sticker of it will color change, litter, spit, or cry. And then the third one is the bottle. The fourth one are the cute accessories, the shoes. The fifth one is a pooper scooper. The sixth one are accessories. And the 7th one is finally the pet. So let's get on. Okay, so you open them from here.
Or from here.
So we got the first one, which is a hint. Now it says break a leg. You can see right here, but it is a hint. So this is what the sticker or the hint that it has, which is, I think, pretty cool. I think it's gonna be a very strong little pet. So the second one is the sticker of if it will cry, litter, spit, or color change. So let's see. Let's get the sticker out. And here's the sticker. It says if it changes color, spits, tinkles, or cries. So we'll put that when we get this sheet. So let's keep that over here. And we're opening the box. So let's open it from here. That's a big surprise. So this is the litter box that we're gonna find when we get the pooper scooper. This is the pet, and this is the bottle. And the accessories. So let's open them. And for the young people, if you're too young to use a scissor, please be careful and have parental guidance. We got a little cute little bottle, and it's pretty cute. It has a yellow bottle cap and a pink water bottle, which is pretty cute, and I think it's really good color combination. So let's keep it over here. And oh, I've totally forgot a pacifier thing. Yeah, it's a pacifier. So we're gonna keep it with our little bottle, and here is the little holder for this. And we got the sheet. So the sheet tells you, there's a manual too, but I don't need that because I already know. So the sheet tells you of all the little pets you can get. Some are rare, some are common, some are legendary, and many other ones. And my favorite one is the real cherry ham, because it's so cute and adorable and has such little cute glasses. I don't know what I'll get, but I'm hoping for a really cute one and a tiny one. So we'll keep this on the side. And next we'll open the shoes. So again, please be very careful with the shoes, or I mean the scissors. And let's open it and see what's inside. So they're 4 cute little boots. If you can see, they're so cute. There are like 4 of them over here. And I'm gonna make my little pet wear them because I think she or he will look so cute. So let's keep them on the side too. And let's take a look at the accessory. I'm not sure. So let's see. It's pretty small and pretty thin. I think it's a really cute color. Look at it, it's like pink and it has a bow. It's so cute. Well, I'm gonna open the pet first, and then I'm gonna see the surprise inside. So, okay, I think I know. It's a dog because there's a bone in it, and it's a dog pooper scooper. It's gonna look so cute. And personally, I really like dogs, so this is a really nice thing for me. Okay, so it's time for the very main thing we've all been waiting for, the pet. Dun dun dun! Okay, let's open it. And let's see what's inside. cute dog with a wig. I'm pretty sure it's a wig because dogs don't have hair that long. But it's so cute, look at it. And it's so cute, I love its blue eyes and everything. Well, it's a pretty cute gift. First, let's put on everything she has. It's gonna be so cute. So let's put the collar, and let's put the shoes. She looks so cute.
Please don't be the wrong size for my doggo.
Yay, it did. So we'll keep her over here so we can take out the, oh wait, I almost forgot her pacifier. Every dog needs a pacifier if they're young so they can keep chewing. So now let's open this little ball. I'm very excited. This is my personal favorite part. I kept it in the end. Let's see what's inside. So cute, it's like sand. That's a really cute little box. Well, it's pretty cute and it's pink. Perfect for gold. And it also matches our little bottle. Yay! It's gonna be so cute. It's gonna be so cute. So a doggo can stay here and play in the sand. Okay, so I'm not sure if she's color changing or not, but I think if I put it a little more longer, let's check it out. Okay, so I'm gonna dunk her hair in because I've seen them color change their hair mostly. I feel like it's getting, her pink hair is getting brighter, but I'm not really sure. There are lines coming over here. I think that's something about color changing. Meow, 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 meow. Tinkles a lot and spits so much. I feed her a lot and water is fun to play with, She is so much fun to play with. She tinkles and spits. She's so much fun to play with. She tinkles and spits. She tinkles and spits. She tinkles and spits. She tinkles and spit. She tinkles and spit. She tinkles and spit. Yeah, 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 yeah. She tinkles and spits. Hooray! Okay, so that's all I got, and I hope you like my opening. Bye!
If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. See you later.
ToffeeTV.com. For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.